Welcome to the best picks. The best ATV Weed Sprayer Boom is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools for tackling large areas of weeds, whether you're a homeowner managing a sprawling property, a farmer tending to crops, or a groundskeeper maintaining public spaces. This attachment can significantly reduce the time and effort required for effective weed control, transforming a daunting task into a manageable one with its wide spray coverage and consistent application. Number 5. NorthStar 21-gallon tow-behind sprayer. Experience all-day professional use with our on-demand pump. Its advanced design offers superior chemical resistance and a motor that runs indefinitely without overheating, ensuring no interruptions to your work. Achieve fast, wide-area application with a 120-inch spray width. The spring-loaded breakaway arms are designed to flex on impact and return to position, providing exceptional durability on any terrain. This 21-gallon tank is built with extra thick walls for superior resistance to UV rays, cracks, and chemicals. Easy-to-read gallon markers and a large fill lid make monitoring and refilling simple. Easily switch between wide area coverage with the boom and targeted precision using the included spot spray gun. Enjoy up to 19 feet vertical and 30 feet horizontal reach for versatile application. Designed for easy storage, it collapses to a compact size that fits in most garages or sheds. The seat-side remote pump control allows for effortless operation from your ATV or garden tractor. What we like. This sprayer boasts a commercial-grade pump designed for professional, all-day use with a 100% continuous duty rating. Its spring-loaded breakaway boom offers exceptional durability on rough terrain, flexing on impact. If you're looking for a sprayer that can handle demanding, professional jobs without interruption, this is the one for you. What people say. The boom sprayer is a great addition to my ATV, making it easy to cover large areas quickly. I was impressed with the even spray pattern and the adjustable nozzle, which allowed me to customize the application for different types of weeds. The construction feels sturdy and durable, and it was relatively simple to attach to my ATV. Number 4. NorthStar High-Flow ATV Broadcast and Spot Sprayer. Introducing the NorthStar High-Flow ATV Sprayer, designed for maximum efficiency. Experience unparalleled performance with its high-flow pump and robust construction. Never worry about downtime. Its 12-volt, 5.5 GPM pump is built for 100% continuous duty, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Featuring patented DXS 3 pump valves made with chemical-resistant beton. This ensures faster priming, superior performance, and extended longevity for your equipment. The Chapin diaphragm offers exceptional reliability and resistance to chemicals. This means dependable operation, even in demanding conditions. Fine-tune your spraying with the included regulator, pressure gauge, and Deluxe trigger spray gun. Achieve the exact pressure you need for any task. Whether broadcasting or spot spraying, this unit has you covered. Its 26-gallon capacity and Deluxe 7-nozzle boom provide versatility for various applications. What we like. Experience superior spraying power with its high-flow 5.5 GPM pump and a 100% continuous duty motor that eliminates downtime. The Deluxe 7-nozzle boom ensures wide and even coverage. If you need to cover large areas quickly and efficiently, this sprayer's high flow rate and extensive boom will be a game-changer. What people say. The boom sprayer is easy to assemble and attach to my ATV. It covers a wide area, making spraying large fields much faster. The spray pattern is consistent and adjustable, allowing for precise application. Number 3. Chapin 97114 15-gallon Easy Mount Deluxe ATV UTV Tank Sprayer. This sprayer is designed for quick and easy mounting onto standard ATVs, UTVs, or lawn tractors. You can easily switch it on and off your unit depending on the task at hand. Proudly designed and produced in the USA, this sprayer comes with US-based customer service and technical support. It's also backed by a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. It features a rust-resistant, translucent poly tank with a 6-inch opening, making it easy to monitor the liquid level. A filter basket cap prevents dirt and debris from entering while filling. The 2.5 GPM, 12V diaphragm pump connects quickly with included alligator clips. This type of pump is self-priming and efficient, requiring no shaft or seal replacements. Enjoy uninterrupted spraying with its 3-stage filtration system, located at the tank cap, inside the tank, and at the shutoff. This significantly reduces clogs. It includes a 19-inch poly wand and a reinforced PVC hose for extended reach. You can adjust the spray from a cone to a stream with the included adjustable poly cone nozzle. A 2-nozzle spray boom with a 7-foot spray pattern and adjustable height is also included. This allows you to cover wide areas efficiently without getting stuck in tall grass. What we like. Proudly made in the USA, this sprayer features an easy mount design for quick attachment and removal from your ATV or UTV. Its advanced 3-stage filtration system minimizes clogs, ensuring uninterrupted spraying. If you value domestic manufacturing, easy setup, and a hassle-free spraying experience, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The boom sprayer is easy to assemble and attach to my ATV. It covers a wide area effectively, saving me a lot of time. The spray pattern is consistent and adjustable for different needs. Number 2. ATV BK 700 Sprayer Boom. Introducing the ATV BK 700 Sprayer Boom, designed for efficient and effective spraying. This accessory enhances the capabilities of your SC25 ATV sprayer. With a generous 10-foot length, it covers a wide area in a single pass. This means less time spent spraying and more time for other tasks. Achieve uniform application across your fields. Its design ensures consistent spray distribution for optimal results. Built to withstand tough conditions, this boom is made for longevity. You can rely on it for season after season of use. Attaching it to your SC25 ATV sprayer is straightforward. Get it set up quickly and start spraying with confidence. Upgrade your spraying equipment with this essential boom. It's the perfect addition to your SC25 for improved performance. What we like. Designed specifically as a boom for the SC25 ATV sprayer, this accessory offers a 10-foot spray length for efficient coverage. If you already own the SC25 sprayer and need to expand its capabilities for wider application, this boom is the perfect, integrated solution. What people say. The boom sprayer is a great addition to my ATV for spraying weeds in my pasture. It covers a wide area and is easy to attach and use. I was impressed with the quality of the boom sprayer. It's made of durable materials and seems like it will last for a long time. The spray pattern is consistent and effective. Number 1. Master MFG 6-nozzle folding broadcast sprayer boom. Achieve a 10-foot swath with our 6-nozzle broadcast sprayer. Its folding design allows for easy maneuverability and storage, making it perfect for any task. Experience precise application with no drip flat fan nozzles. Setup is a breeze thanks to the quick attach system, saving you time and effort. Easily mount this sprayer to your ATV. The included brackets attach directly to the bottom of the sprayer tank for a stable and secure fit. Take full control of your spray with the integrated pressure regulator, 100 psi gauge, and boom shut-off valve. Achieve the exact results you need. Customize your spray height with adjustable quick-attach boom brackets. Ensure optimal coverage and efficiency for every application. This sprayer comes complete with a 12V wire harness, alligator clamps, and a power switch. It's ready for immediate use right out of the box. What we like. This sprayer boom features a folding design for easy maneuverability and storage, along with no drip flat fan nozzles to prevent waste. The adjustable height ensures optimal spray patterns over varied terrain. If you need a versatile boom that's easy to handle, store, and provides precise, efficient spraying, this folding option is ideal. What people say. The boom sprayer is a great addition to my ATV for spraying weeds. It is easy to attach and use, and covers a wide area. The spray pattern is consistent and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.